You can talk to the camera. Don't tell the what you're doing.
On my this is for simplicity.
But it makes sense. You talk now and
say something.
Now just say okay, like the neck, the shoulder, back.
Relax. If you steep yourself, you'll feel pain later.
How do you know I'm not relaxed?
I can feel it. I'm massive.
Then
I can feel if your heart is very strong now, but as if you're afraid, you will freeze your body and now feel it.
are you serious?
Yes, you just react immediately. That means
Yeah.
you're not relaxed, yes. Just like your
You're
neck
psychologist.
now. Like your neck, now you see how soft it is. If I make you a little scared now, you'll feel pain.
Strong.
Yes.
Wow.
And after the massage, you feel pain. But if you relax, keep your mind down and enjoy your massage.
I like that one.
It's for relaxation, not for pain. Yeah.
Guys, you have to book for a massage section so you can relax yourself.
Be quiet.
You heard how, she said it, not me.
Are you smiling?
I just feel good.
Like that.
You're good. Nothing shocked me. Wait, like you just know what my body is reacting to.
You know your job different.
That's high level of professional.
For your mind, you work hard, but
I do a lot of flexible.
yeah, I can see that.
It's not cracking, right?